What is up, everyone? Welcome to IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike, and there is a company that is going public that I think everyone that I know of, everyone that I've spoken to, everyone online, everyone is expecting this to possibly be, more than likely, the greatest IPO of the year in 2025, right? The greatest so far, just so you can get an understanding, was Circle, and I had done a YouTube video before it went public, and I explained how you could buy shares of Circle at $31 a share before it goes public on the stock market. I repeat, $31 a share. You know, don't complain. I can see the complaints right now, and rightfully so in a way, that some people will say, well, I only got one share, so who cares? Look, people get allocated different shares, different amount of shares. So if you pre-order something, somebody might get allocated 30 shares. Somebody might get allocated 100 shares. Someone 10, 15, 1, right? It depends. Because I know for a fact, I have seen it for a fact, people were allocated 55 shares for Circle, which is crazy. 55 shares at 31 bucks a share, and then the stock went up within a day, within 24 hours of trading on the stock market, to like 150, I don't remember, $140 a share, 150, 160, right? Around there. I don't remember. It was around there. That's a huge gain. Trust me, that's an insane gain, right? So yeah, that's that. Last time I checked, Circle was at 88 bucks. Anyways, so the one that is going public now on August 13 is a stock that is available for pre-order. In fact, why do I think it's going to be the best? Circle was available on Robinhood, I think, if I remember. This one is already available right now to pre-order before it goes public on Webull. It is available on SoFi. It is available on Robinhood. Someone told me public, but I don't use public, so I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section below. It's available on many platforms, which you rarely see that. The same, you know, so, and it's backed by Peter Thiel. Some people don't like Peter Thiel for certain strange, odd reasons, which I would also accept also.
You're an investor in AI, surveillance and technologies of warfare and so on, right? When you tell me a story about the Antichrist coming to power and using the fear of technological change to sort of impose order on the world.
To peace and safetyism. This is 1 Thessalonians 5:3. The slogan of the Antichrist is peace and safety.
But, you know, when he's backing something, it almost always does well in the stock market. Let's just start off with the bad news, get them out of the way. Major indexes are lower after President Trump suggested he would announce new tariffs on semiconductors and pharmaceuticals. The trade war is not over. So, you know, don't worry about it. Either way, you know, there's a lot of talk all the time throughout the year, and there's been a lot of talk. And yeah, the market did match the talk and went down and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, the market, in my opinion, will end up higher by the end of the year. So I think that if people go by feelings, they're not going to invest well. That's just my opinion. All right, something else. These are the most recent, the last YouTube videos I did, right? This one was yesterday that I had 22 hours ago that went public, and then the rest of these, right? So these are the most recent YouTube videos that I had posted on YouTube. Obviously, it is free for you to watch these YouTube videos, and I put a lot of time into it, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. We can't judge what the results will be from what I said in this video because I put it 22 hours ago. That IPO has not gone public yet. This one is for aerospace. This hasn't gone public yet. But the other videos, the ones that you see with a gold trophy, it means that everything I said in those videos came true. And the stocks that I talked about in those YouTube videos went up after my video by an X amount of percent, but they did go up. The ones that says no way, these were videos where I talked about stocks that I was, investments that I was not bullish on, and it turned out right. So I was right on those. And then the only one I was wrong so far, but I don't believe I'm wrong because I think long term I'll be right, but so far it has not worked out, was this YouTube video, which was for JCAP, JCAP. It hasn't turned out well so far, but I think that, and I believe, and I am bullish on the long term. So we'll see. The whole point of me talking about these YouTube videos is basically that I want you guys to help me out, hit the subscribe button, help me reach 80,000 subscribers. We're getting close. And maybe share my videos or share my channel to your friends or your social media network. Okay, so let's go to the IPO. Bullish. I'm very bullish on this. So Bullish is going public. I am bullish on Bullish, and so is my Discord Patreon community, which is called Bull Market Watch. So Bull Market Watch is bullish on Bullish. Yeah, okay, not funny. Okay, but anyways, I am bullish. So the ticker symbol is BLSH, and so this one's going public on August 13, 2025. The price range is 28 to 31 bucks. Like I said before, you can pre-order this. So if you were to pre-order, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get allocated anywhere from 28 to 31 bucks per share, and I think that's a really good price to be allocated shares before it goes public, because in my personal opinion, I'm going to say this, let's see if I'm right, on August 13th, I believe that when Bullish goes public on August 13th in regular trading hours, because IPOs don't go public in pre-market, they go public in regular trading hours. When it starts trading, I think it will automatically start trading at 45 bucks a share, just my opinion. So if it does start at 45 or higher, those who bought at 28 to 31 as a pre-order are obviously, get it? Winners. All right, Peter Thiel, guys. Peter Thiel backed crypto. So this is a Peter Thiel backed crypto firm, and it aims to raise $621 million. Also, keep in mind that BlackRock and Cathie Wood, they have already agreed to invest in Bullish. Bullish is an institutionally focused global digital asset platform, and by the way, institutional customers are growing each year, that provides market infrastructure and information services. Their objective is to provide mission-critical products and services that are designed to help institutions grow their businesses, empower individual customers, drive the adoption of stable coins, digital assets, blockchain technology. The company was founded in 2020 with the vision to build an institutional-grade global exchange enabling optimized execution powered by customizable compliance-first infrastructure. The keyword all the time. What do you see when we're talking about Bullish? Institutions. So they're aiming for the big leagues. They don't really care about us. Anyways, I think we're gonna, just my personal opinion, I think this pre-order as an IPO is going to do very well. One more thing to keep in mind. The CEO is Mr. Thomas Farley. He was previously president of the New York Stock Exchange Group of the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. So the company provides products such as spot trading, futures, liquidity services, clearing, margin, options, futures. Now, Bullish has received investments just like any other company that is going public on the market. They've all received little to a lot. Bullish has received nearly $4 billion, not million, guys, nearly $4 billion in investments. BlackRock, Peter Thiel, Galaxy Digital Ventures, Global Growth Master Fund. So let's look at revenue. The revenue from 2022 to 2025 is growing massively. Gross margin is around 0.06%, and that may sound, scary to some, but trading platforms, you're not going to see any massive gross margin. The net income is around negative $373 million. Free cash flow is slightly positive at $26 million. Cash available for the company is around $2.5 billion. Total debt is around $547 million. And don't forget, we have a Patreon Discord community. If you want to join us, the link will be in the description of the video or at the bottom of your screen, as you can see right now. Some examples of what goes on in our community is that we call Sentinel-1, ticker symbol S, a buy on June 20th, 2025 at $17.59. So it's up right now. We're making money on that. Also, AMTM, which I've done countless videos on, called it a buy at $18.65 in the community, is now at nearly 25 bucks. Just doing amazing, and there's plenty more gains that I expect from it. All right, guys. So August 13, 2025, Bullish is going public. Ticker symbol BLSH. I think I am, and I think most of you are. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish in Bullish? Let me know in the comment section below. And I wish you all a great day. Take care, everyone.